In this video, I will show you how to add a custom field within ClickUp. Now, this is actually very easy and done within a few seconds. So once you are in this specific task you want to add a custom field of, then scroll down a bit until you see custom fields right there. Then tap on this little plus button, and as you can see, now we see different custom fields. So you can easily add them, or you can search them, for example, people. Let's tap on that. Then you can give this a field name. So we can give this an emoji. Search for an emoji, for example, job. We can give this a name. We can, include teens, for example, and that is it. Then we tap on create, and now we have added a custom field for this specific project or this specific task, whatever you want to call it. It's very easy. You can add multiple custom fields, of course, but that is basically it. You always can change it later on if you want to. So that is it. It's very easy, very straightforward. So if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.